We're getting some breaking news on the situation involving the Trayvon Martin shooting down in Florida. CNN's Martin Savage has been going through the new autopsy report, other information released by the court. Martin, what are you getting?
Well, this is a treasure trove of documents that were released by the authorities just today. This is the same information that went to the defense earlier in the week, and it's coming from the prosecutor's office. There are 67 CDs of documents. It's about 200 pages worth of material, 23 eyewitness statements, 5 statements coming from Sanford Police Departments, photographs, on and on. But most important would be this, and that is the medical examiner's report. In other words, the autopsy report that was done on Trayvon Martin the day after he was shot and killed by George Zimmerman. The final diagnosis reading here, he says, no surprise, died of a gunshot wound to the chest. But it was a gunshot wound on the left chest, intermediate range, according to this report. That would mean anywhere from 3 to, well, almost right up, 3 feet, that is, almost right up against the body. Path of the projectile went straight from the front to the back, did not exit out his body. It did penetrate his heart. So Trayvon Martin died as a result of a gunshot wound to the heart. Other things that we found that were interesting: inside the chest blood specimen that was taken, they found traces of THC. THC, of course, would be marijuana, so that is naturally going to get a lot of talk. And then also on top of that, we were talking earlier about injuries to Trayvon Martin's hands. Were there any indication he could have been in some sort of fight, as George Zimmerman maintains? There is an injury, a small one, 1/4 by 1/4 inch on the 4th finger of the left-hand side. So it doesn't look like all his hands are bruised, but only one finger. And then, by the way, that you were just looking at a photograph of the actual gun that George Zimmerman used to fire the fatal shot back on February 26th that killed Trayvon Martin, he says, when he was attacked by Trayvon Martin. Of course, Martin's family refutes that greatly. Wolf?
I know you're continuing to go through all that information with our team over there. Martin, we'll stay in close touch with you. Thanks for that information.